Good morning, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. As promised, we are in the workshop. I'm already getting stuff to, I got the box down. Y'all, I've been short for a very long time. I didn't need to get on a ladder. Let's just say physics is our friend. I did not find a wreath, but I did find this. This is a vintage snowflake that fell apart. I had it in my shop for sale for a while. Cool vintage snowflake, $6, and it literally disintegrated. It like fell apart. But the pieces and parts are good. We're going to make our own wreath from this. Yes, I regret all my life choices, mostly every day. Oh, it's glued. Okay, so we're going to take this apart. That's my number one thing. Okay, so now we've got almost a whole piece here. How are these on there? Which one needs to come off? Now. Okay. We figure out what size we need for our truck here. I think it's going to be like a half of this. Yep. That's about the size we need. These are my dull scissors that probably need to be sharpened 6 ways from Sunday. I'm going to cut it a little long because I'm going to twist it, not just glue it. Ooh, I may need to get my wire cutters. Oh, no, I got it. My hands feeling a little weak there for a second. I am going to glue it too, but I've wrapped it around the top there. We're going to make it as round as possible before we decorate it. I'm going to glue it. And I'm going to glue a ton of stuff to it. I found pink ribbon. We have our wreath. Yep, it's a good size. What color are we painting our wreath? Since y'all aren't here to help me decide, I'm gonna have to decide this one on my own. Need to think on this. I need it to be white. I wonder if I could bleach it. I've bleached trees before, but not a white tree. I've bleached the green ones before. We've done that here on this channel. Let me see if I can find some bleach. I have sodium percarbonate, which is an oxygen bleach. Works great on clothing and linens. It requires very hot water, so I've boiled some water. You can see the steam coming off it, I think. My glasses flag up. Anyway, boiled water. And I have a little bowl here in front of me. I'm going to get you guys switched around so you can see. And we're going to try it. We're going to try and get it white. White. We're going to do our best to lighten this up and make it white. If that doesn't work, I'll try chlorine bleach. I don't even know that I have chlorine bleach. I got the oxygen bleach right there. The boiling water. You can see it's kind of dissolving. It's kind of mixed up here. Just the end of a paintbrush. Okay, so this is what we started with, and this is what happened after I soaked it, right? Sorry, I've got paint on my fingers. I'm working on another project. Definitely better. It's an improvement. I don't know how well the camera's picking up that. There, you can see it there. It's a major improvement. I think I'm going to have to soak these overnight, though, because I think it can get whiter than this. I honestly think it's going to be better. So we are going to soak this overnight and then come back and see what's going on with our wreath, okay? I'm going to get a bigger bowl. I'm going to weigh it down. I'm going to boil some water but look, definitely went from yellow to a white shade. So I'm going to make this white. I am trying very hard not to buy things because I have a giant bin. All this stuff back here. This is a bin full of Christmas stuff. So if I can get this project done without buying something new, we're going to do it. So we're making it. And I'm going to go boil some water and I'm going to soak this overnight. And then we'll come back and we'll finish our wreath. All right, I'm back. It's the next day. It's white. It's whiter. Let me show you, for those of you who don't remember. That doesn't look any different, but it does in person. I don't know how to... It's whiter. I found the silver balls that I want to put on it. These little mini ones. Perfect. Perfect size for that. I also found a chenille pipe cleaner left over from our project from yesterday, which could work. I could make that smaller and it could work. So I think that's actually what's going to happen is the chenille. Okay, I'm going to get you switched around. We're going to start gluing stuff to the wreath. All right. So that's kind of what I have in mind right there. The bow with the little things. And I've got pink glitter and Mod Podge. So we're going to glitter it up a little bit. And then we're going to glue it like this. So the hot glue gun is plugged in and it's already a little warm. Let's take that off. Let's glitter it first. Don't. Okay. I am going to grab one of my little Dollar Tree mixing jars again. That. And then we are going to dump a butt ton of glitter and Mod Podge in here. So yesterday I did not glitter without the mess, and today I'm going to glitter without the mess. Because I have a feeling I'm going to be using a lot of glitter. I'm going to make up some glitter and keep it stored. Glitter Mod Podge. All right, we got half glitter, half Mod Podge. No way you'll see that bit there, but I don't care. It's a less messy way to glitter something. You can also use a brush and paint on the glitter with this method. But I want just like chunks of glittery snow. So my pink glittery snow here. We want the edges. Just clean off the edge so I don't end up gluing that lid down. And there we go. We have glitter saved for another time. Pink glitter. Save for later, because I have a feeling we'll be using it again on this project. And I don't want to use too much hot glue. I don't want it gooping out like yesterday everywhere. This side is sort of flat, so I'm going to get all right, let's let it dry. Last thing we need to do is attach it to the grill, and I am going to glue it. I was going to try and find a piece of wire, and then I went, why? Why, Stacy, why? I have hot glue ready to go. And I think one right there should do the trick. Nope. That's gonna stay there, but that centerpiece doesn't match up. Oh, 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 wait. It's crooked. Perfect, it's crooked. There it is. I'm gonna see if I can get some glue under there. Yeah, I can. Okay. That's it for today. Just because this is going to become a very long video, we made our wreath. For the front end, there's still time to weigh in as far as what... I'm going to clean all these strings off. As far as what you think we should do with the rest of it. Next, we're going to remove the tree. We're going to replace it with the pink tree, and we're going to tackle how we're going to do that, what this is going to look like. So that'll be our next project. But right now, she's got a wreath. I'm very excited about that. Coming together. So that's what we have for today. That's my project. And thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.